Good day, everyone. This poster is an invitation to a place where stories live off the page and words build bridges. That open book isn't just a paper, it is a doorway to words and worlds. We're bringing our community together to write, to read, and to share. It is an outreach project designed by English majors who know how the power of the sentence can change a life. As a English major, I am thrilled to announce Words and Worlds, a community storytelling literacy outreach. Imagine a day filled with captivating tales, where children's eyes light up during the interactive storytelling sessions, and the teens discover their unique voice in creative writing workshops. We'll be celebrating the joy of reading, fostering imaginative expressions, and strengthening our community bonds. This is your chance to unlock your imagination, build connections, and empower voices. So, join us on Saturday, October 26, from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. at the Community Center of Sagay. Bring your favorite books to our book exchange, or simply come to share and listen to the amazing stories. Check out our digital poster for all the details. Let's make this unforgettable day of the words and worlds. We can't wait to see you there.